Have you ever wondered what makes websites like Facebook or WordPress work? A big part of the answer is a technology called PHP. It is the engine running silently in the background, making websites dynamic and interactive. When you fill out a form, log into an account, see content that is personalized just for you, PHP is doing the heavy lifting. It is a server-side scripting language. This means it runs on the web server, not in your browser. It processes your requests, talks to databases, and then sends clean, simple HTML back to your screen. So, why should you, as a student or someone looking for a new career, learn PHP in 2025? First, it's incredibly beginner-friendly. The syntax is clean and logical. Second, it has a massive community, tons of documentation. If you get stuck, an answer is just a quick search away. For job seekers, PHP is still in high demand. A huge portion of the web runs on it, meaning there are countless jobs available. Before you dive into PHP, there's one thing you should be comfortable with: HTML. You don't need to be an expert, but you should understand how to create basic web pages with tags like form, input, p. For tools, you don't need anything fancy. A simple text editor like Visual Studio Code or Sublime Text. To run PHP on your computer, you will need a local server environment. The easiest way to get this is by installing a package like XAMPP, which we will cover next. It's free and gives you everything you need in one simple installation. Once it's installed, open the XAMPP control panel. For now, you only need to start the Apache module. Click the Start button next to it. XAMPP creates a special folder for all your web projects. If you are on Windows, you will find it at XAMPP docs. To keep things organized, create a new folder inside HE-docs for your first project. Let's call it Learning PHP. Open your text editor and create a new file. Type the following code. This simple line tells the server to print the text, "Hello World," to the screen. Save this file as index.php. To see your creation, open your browser. In the address bar, type localhost/learningphp/ and press enter. You should see a blank white page with the words "Hello World" displayed. You did it. You have successfully set up a server, written a PHP script, and executed it. Let's break down the basic rules or syntax of PHP. Every piece of PHP code must be wrapped inside special tags. Each command must end with a semicolon. It's like the period at the end of a sentence. In PHP, we use variables to store information. Think of a variable as a labeled container. All variable names start with a $sign. Variables hold different data types: strings, integers, floats, booleans. PHP auto-detects types. To display a variable, use echo $name. The browser will show Alice. Let's use what we've learned to build something practical. A simple contact form. First, we need the HTML structure. Create contact.html with a form that asks for name and email, with action pointing to process.php and method post. In process.php, when a form is submitted using post method, all data is stored in $_post superglobal. You can create variables like $name $$post username and display a confirmation message. Now test your work. Open localhost/learning-php/contact.html, fill in your details, click submit. The browser loads process.php and shows your personalized thank you message. You have just built your first dynamic web application. You have successfully taken your first steps into PHP. You learned that PHP powers a huge portion of the web. You set up XAMPP, wrote your first script, learned core syntax, and built a functional contact form handling user data. To become proficient, explore these topics next. Arrays for storing lists of data, functions for reusable code blocks, connecting to MySQL databases, sessions and cookies for user state, and frameworks like Laravel and Symfony. Most importantly, practice, practice, practice. Don't just read, build things. Create a simple blog, build a to-do list app, make a photo gallery. Each project brings new challenges and forces learning. Take what you've learned today. Open your text editor. Start building. Your journey to mastering PHP has just begun. The possibilities are totally endless.